everybody, my name is Miss Jade and I'm a teacher here at the Little Dreamers Nursery. Is listening something your child struggles with? Then don't worry, today I'm here to give you 5 of my top tips to help your child listen a little bit more effectively. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any educational videos from Ed Arabia, and please feel free to leave a comment or any suggestions below. Thank you. So my first tip is to make sure you establish a connection first with your child before giving them a question or asking them to do something. So first of all, you want to make sure you get down onto their level. You can give them a gentle touch on their arm and establish eye contact. You might want to talk about something that they're doing in that moment. So for example, wow, I really love what you're doing there with the blocks. Please tell me, what did you build? Then allow your child to respond to your own question before giving your own request. This way, your child is much more likely to follow through with what you're asking them to do. Tip number 2, try to keep your interactions simple and on the positive side. Negative commands, which involve no and don't, tend to confuse children a little bit. They're required to process multiple things instead of one. So when you say to your child, no, don't throw your toys all over the floor, they have to think about what they shouldn't be doing and what they should be doing instead. So next time, instead of saying that, you can say to them, please try and keep your toys inside the basket. This is much simpler and your child will respond to it much better. They'll be much more likely to follow through with what you're asking them to do. Have you ever been stuck in a standoff with your child where you really want them to do something but they're very persistent in not doing it because it's not what they want to do? There's a simple tactic you can use in this scenario, and it's as simple as giving them a choice. So for example, if you want to leave the house and you want your child to wear their shoes so that you can go, and your child does not want to put them on, you could say to them, okay, which shoe do you want to wear first? This one or this one? By doing this, you're allowing your child to feel that they are the one that's in control, and they'll be much more likely to wear the shoe so that you can leave and get on with your day. Tip number 4, try to engage your child's cooperation before a problem arises. So picture this, your children are playing together and you can sense that something is about to happen. Once you sense it, you can say to your child or children, thank you so much for playing nicely together. I'm so proud of you. Your children love you and they want to make you happy, and by saying this you're going to raise their confidence and self-esteem, and they'll want to follow through with what you're asking them to do. You're diminishing the problem before it even started. So try this one next time, it really works. Lastly, as we all know and understand, a solid routine is imperative for young children. It helps to naturally condition them to what's about to happen next. There are a few ways in which you can do it. Before a transition time, such as brushing their teeth or tidying up or going to bed, you can give them a warning a few minutes beforehand. It could be 5 minutes or 2 minutes or even 1 minute, just to help them prepare for the change in routine. You could also use a visual timetable for those children that really do struggle with their day and what's about to happen next. And you'll find over time that your children will be naturally conditioned to that as well, so you won't have too much of an issue. This is more of a preventative measure to help your children not listening as such. That was 5 of my top tips that have helped me as a teacher in the classroom and as a parent as well. I hope that they help you in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and happy parenting.